Today, we're going to take a look at some headphones, and these are actually perfect for traveling or on the road or just listening to music. I mean, they're very flexible, very comfortable. If you guys can see, they have multiple different colors of it. I love the designs on the side of it. The wiring itself, you can actually see it, but it kind of goes through the actual system itself. You can actually take this and fold them out. If you guys can see it, both of them fold out, so you could compact them and keep them all together like that and fold them and carry them around with you. Very simple in your backpack, in your bag, pretty much anywhere. Now they do identify themselves for right or left, right? And they're very durable. If you guys can see, very durable, a nice addition to your travels or going outdoors. I actually took these out to testing out, and you know what? There was no complaint. I like the nylon string on it. Very simple, very flexible, easy. You don't have to worry if you pull it, you're not going to rip it because it's on nylon. It's all pretty strong and durable. These will make a great gift or, replace your old headphones. So hope you guys enjoyed the video.